Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I am just going to give you a quick tip. So when you are drawing something in pencil and you want to erase it, the best thing to use to erase it is a white eraser. You can find these at all of the craft stores, and they just erase so much better than the regular pink erasers, or this one happens to be orange. But let me just try to show you. I don't know if it will actually show. I'm not going to draw a ton on here, but I'm just going to draw a little bit of scribble on both, and you can see how well the white erases it, doesn't leave any residual like yuck on the page. I can still see it a little bit, but it's not bad. Now this, you can see how it leaves a lot more of a mess on the page. So the white erasers are just the best erasers to use, and if you put your Pitt pen or whatever, your waterproof pen, down even over the pencil, and then you take your eraser, your white eraser, and erase over that, you can get all of that pencil marking totally erased, and you can't even tell that I had the pencil underneath. And it's pretty cool because after you've already like drawn it with this, and it doesn't smear or anything. If you were to use just a regular eraser, sometimes this would smear, and it also depends on the pens that you're using. I'm using these really nice Faber-Castell Pitt pens, and they work really well to make sure that they don't smear. But white erasers, those are the best when you're crafting, especially if it's something that you want to keep. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.